welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samiljulissa, or you could just call me Samil. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to everyday natural hairstyles. These are just the hairstyles that are super basic, super easy, super simple to do on natural hair. Like if you're newly natural and you're just trying to look up hairstyles to do to your hair because you have no idea what to do to it, or you're doing it on an old braid out, old twist out, any style, like these are my go-tos. So I wanted to film this video because I thought it would be extremely helpful because I don't know, they're just really easy, and I know natural life is a task. So I just thought I'll simple it for you guys and show you guys my go-to everyday natural hairstyles. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. But let's just hop right into the video.